Okay. So right now what we're going to do is that we are going to pick up from where we left off. Again, I'm Sabrina, the founder of Pi Financials. And the last video we set up another business. And that's one of the things we offer in our plans is that you can have multiple businesses depending on what tier you're on. So this one here, we were setting up a new business. We established the budget for that business. So now I'm going to show you guys how to actually enter your transactions so that you can see on a day-to-day basis or however often you're doing transactions, the information gets updated. So as you see on your dashboard, it shows here that your budget expense for the month is $215, and that comes directly from what you set here for your budget for your different categories. And so in transactions, you have revenue and you have expenses. We like to keep it simple. So here we're going to go ahead and enter revenue. So just say, for instance, we say, okay, we collected in credit and debit cards, we collected $415. And you collected that yesterday on the 27th. And we're going to go ahead and hit save there. And for our expenses, we can go ahead and enter in our expenses. So say on shipping and delivery, we spent, $64 on the 25th. And we're going to enter that. And another expense, we had software subscriptions. So we paid $40 for software subscriptions on the 26th. And let's see here. Oh, great. Okay. It says, hey there, just a friendly reminder that you've gone over your budget for software subscription by $5 this month. So keep an eye on this expense. Because in the previous video, we set our software expense as $35 for that month. But we entered that we spent $40. So that's the beauty of Pi. It alerts you immediately, like when, hey, something is off versus what you say you was going to spend. So you can put a note there that says, pay late fee or whatever. Or you can go in and correct it, and I'll show you how. You can dismiss it. If you want to correct it, you just click the little pencil here. You can go ahead and correct it to $35. But we're just going to leave it because I want to see the insight on that. And then what's another expense that we had? So boxes. Say we spent $25 on boxes, and we did that yesterday because we had an order. Okay, so let's see. So before I remember, our dashboard showed that we had $215 in budget expenses. So now it shows our revenue, $415. Our expenses that we had was $129, and we haven't put anything in for last month because which is just a demo account, but it will show you that. So your net profit is $286 for so far for the month. All right. So let's go over here and take a look at how our budget is looking. So if you look at your budget, so our annual budget goal for in terms of revenue was $7,150. What we say we was going to spend was $1,685. So what we've actually made in sales is $415, and we spent $129. And if you want to see a breakdown on how that looks, compare your actual to your budget. If you click here where it says budget overview, you're able to see, okay, based on that, my boxes, I am, this is the orange is what you actually spent compared to your budget. And you can see here how slightly the orange is a little bit over. So it's creeping into that budget amount because we went over by $5. So visually you can see where you are. And if you go over here to your reports tab, there is an insights activity log. So just say, for instance, you did not see that pop up, you can always go over here to your reports, and your insight activity log will be able to show you. You can clearly see, okay, what what type of alert did I may have missed. So if you're sharing this account with another business partner, they perhaps saw it and you didn't, you can always log in and um, see that insight. Um, So yeah, so stay tuned. I'll show you guys some more things, but I definitely want to show you how easy it is, which is why I say you don't need a spreadsheet, you don't need pen and paper, you don't need any fancy accounting software that you don't understand and that's not going to be helpful to you, that's not going to give you some insights, and that doesn't give you action items on your data. What you need is Pi. Simplicity is going to help you to launch your business and give you that peace of mind that you so want in your business. Because I get it, I understand it. Uh, I totally understand it. So again, I host weekly office hours on Wednesdays. Sign up for the free account. If you need additional features, we do have some paid features as well. But if you have any questions, reach out to us, leave a comment, and I'm happy to help. Bye for now.